How to fix Google payment decline data. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now go to Payment and Subscriptions and select Payment Methods. Now once you are here, select your payment ID and tap on Remove. Now after removing, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Now add your payment method and go back. Now once you are there, clear the app cache or data if necessary. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.